Hi writers, this is your Monday morning book marketing minute with Megan, and this week's suggestion pairs really nicely with a video that we made a few weeks ago talking about making sure that your readers have the vocabulary to talk about your book on your behalf. This week's suggestion is making sure that your supporters actually know who your book is for. Because very often the people who are buying our books in the very beginning are our supportive family, friends, people who follow us online, people we went to high school with, just an initial group of people who are very keen to support us. But that doesn't mean that that group of people is actually who our book is for. So take Simona, for example. She's a TSPA author and she's just written The B Word. It's a book about infertility and IVF and everything her family has gone through. Now, that doesn't mean that her supporters, her friends, family, and people who follow her online who are buying that book, that doesn't mean that they have all gone through IVF or have all struggled with the same thing or even can relate to her subject matter. They're just buying her book to support her, which is fantastic. But what we want her to do, and what she is actually doing really, really well, is that she is now telling her friends and family not only how to talk about her book, but who her book is a perfect fit for. So this book is a perfect fit for the mothers who want to be mothers, the ones who've been struggling, the families or the sisters or the cousins who might know somebody who is going through fertility issues. So she is sharing who her book is ideal for, because once your initial circle of supporters buys your book, we don't want it to fall flat. Rather, we want them to be like, I have somebody at my office who is dealing with this, or somebody I know's cousin might be interested in this subject. So again, we want to not only give people the vocabulary to talk about our books, but also to know who our books are meant for so they can help find them for us. I hope this video was helpful and it gives you a little bit of more communication and strategy on how you can communicate and talk about your book out in the world. And because we're all in the interest, all involved in trying to market and share different subject matters, I would love it if in the comments section below of this video you share who your book is for. Who is your demographic? You don't have to necessarily tell us what your book is about, but I would love to hear it in the comment section who your book is for, and who knows what new readers you can pick up along the way. I hope you guys all have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon.